Discord login problem. How to fix login or password is invalid error. Fix 1. Use your email, not username. Step 1. Open Discord login screen. Step 2. Type your registered email address, not your username. Step 3. Enter your password and tap login. Fix 2. Use the current password when changing email password. Step 1. If you re-edit in your email address, Discord asks for your current Discord password. Step 2. Enter your existing Discord password, not the email account's password. Fix 3. Wait 30 minutes after a password reset. Step 1. Tap Forgot your password on the login page. Step 2. Reset it via the email link. Step 3. Wait about half an hour before trying to log back in. Fix 4. Android only. Disable. Don't keep activities. Step 1. Go to Settings Developer Options. Step 2. Find and turn off Don't keep activities.